Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we are here with another exclusive property tour. Today we are in Runaway Bay. We are at the Savannah Vista, and I'm gonna give you guys a complete tour. So this is a vacation Airbnb. This is the outside, so it's 2 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, laundry, kitchen, dining, balconies. So we'll go on the inside shortly and show you guys around the entire complex. Alright guys, so remember, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to leave your comment in terms of this property. Remember to like and share as well. So again, Runaway Bay, very close to the Bahia Principe Hotel, like 5 minutes away. And this is a vacation Airbnb. So at this location they have pool, they have jogging trail, all the amenities that you need. So we're gonna take a walk inside and show you guys around. So let's go on the inside. Alright guys, so welcome to the 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom townhouse complex. So again, it's 5 minutes away from the Grand Bahia Principe. That's a hotel that's very close by. Yes, we're in St. Anne's, and we're very close to the town of Ocherius as well. This is a very new complex developed by HAJ, Housing Agency of Jamaica, and it comprises of 50 townhouse complexes and 30 bungalows. And as I mentioned, they have a pool, they have a community clubhouse, gym, jogging trail as well. So if you want to be on the North Coast, you're looking for an Airbnb, then this is definitely the place to be in terms of all the amenities. And again, it's close to major businesses, major restaurants, and everything. Alright guys, so let's take a full walk through. And again, you guys leave your comments, you guys like, and let me know what you think about the property. Alright, so over here we have this couch right in the corner, just before you go up to the bedrooms. And then right here would be the living space. Very clean layout. That's your TV right there. And then from your living, we're at the dining. And then from dining, we're gonna head around to the kitchen. So again, this is available for booking right now. I'll put the links in the description and in the comments as well. Price starts at 80 US per night and it goes up to 100 US per night based on availability and based on the number of persons coming in as well. So all major appliances are available: microwave, stove, kettle, plate, fork. Everything is available, a refrigerator. And again, any stay you're looking for, whether 1 night, 1 week, 1 day, you have all the amenities you need. You have a washer and dryer as well. You have a backyard area to also, hang out your clothes if you don't want to use the dryer. So that's available as well. Right, so we show the wash area, we show the kitchen area. And now I'm going to show you the half bathroom, or what some people call powder room, if you don't want the guests to go in your bedroom. Alright, so let's take a look at the half bathroom. Alright, so just right beside the living area. Mirror, face basin. So this is your half bathroom. It's right below the stairs because the bedrooms are on the second floor, being that it's a townhouse. And again, thinking about a vacation on the North Coast, you and your family probably traveling for a short while, this Airbnb is ready for booking. So this leads up to the 2-bedroom, and both bedroom has their bathroom as well. Alright, so we enter bedroom number 1 right here. So again, each space of AC, TV, and a fan as well for your comfort. Very high ceilings, and windows if you need to draw your curtains. So just draw the curtains. So if you need more light, you have that. The bathroom is there, and that's your bed. Alright, so before we go in the bathroom, right here is a back balcony. So you have a back and a front balcony. Let me show you guys. So this is the... Alright, so very nice community, guys. So let's take a walk into the bathroom now. Alright, so bathroom is right here. Alright, so you have a tub, bathroom window, solid counter, cabinet for storage, mirror. And then right here you have your closet area. Right in here, decent size. So you have your towels and a very decent sized closet. Alright, so this is room number 1. Alright, so now for the primary bedroom. It's at the front, so it gets the front balcony. So you have mirror on the wall. You have TV just the same. AC unit, fan. Side tables. I have some space around this side as well. And your balcony right here. Alright, so from the primary bedroom we come around to the primary bathroom. Similar setup. So you have your tub with your shower. And then you have your toilet and your countertop just the same. Alright, and then your mirror and all that. Alright, so as I said, this primary bedroom has the balcony, so I'll stand on the balcony so you guys can see the view from the balcony as well. So now on the balcony, and that's a glimpse of the community down there. And then for this closet space, it's right on this side. It's a walk-in closet just the same. Alright guys, so 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, vacation Airbnb townhouse, available for booking right now. Again, links will be in description and in the comments. Price starting at $8 US. And again, we're in the Savannah Vista community, very new community. Alright guys, we're back on the first floor. So what I'll be doing next with you guys is showing you the pool area and just a little drive around the community so you see where you're staying. Again, this home can also be found on Instagram. It's Lavish Homes. So this is the Instagram page. So it's there along with the Airbnb I covered at the Hamptons and also the one at the Loft as well. So you guys can check that out. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the pool and a little look around the community. Alright guys, so just as promised, just gonna take a quick drive around the community with you guys. Heading to the pool and gym area right now. Just wanted you guys to see, I know, the community at large as well. So stay tuned, let's head on to the pool. Alright guys, so again, some amenities. We have jogging trail, we have the pool, we have the clubhouse and gym. It's a gated community as well, 24-hour security. So those are some of the additional amenities. So we're just heading to the pool area, so you guys stay tuned for that. And again, remember to leave your comments. Alright, so we're almost at the pool area, literally a 15 seconds drive. If you're walking, probably 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So not too far from the property. So just gonna pull over and show you guys around this area. We're now at the gym multi-purpose area and the pool. By the way, these are some of the detached bungalows. Some of these are 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. Now, I like the recreational area. It's very big, from netball court to basketball court to football field. So it's a lot of options, especially if you're on vacation with your kids. You know, they have stuff to keep them occupied. So gym and multi-purpose area. So we're gonna go on the inside so we can get a better look. So all of this is green space for you, for your kids, just to relax. We have swings and other, you know, things that the children can use. And then around this side would be the pool, very decent sized pool. So that's where we're heading right now. Alright, so decent sized pool. I wonder if any of you guys know the length of this pool. We know it's not an Olympic sized pool, but you guys probably can tell me how long you think it is. So clean pool, big pool on a hot summer day, you know, while on vacation. You just leave your Airbnb, come relax, come dive in, have beach chairs, and you know, still a very good space. I am sure as well that, you know, if you're probably even keeping a birthday party, you can also book it. So you'll have the pool area for a birthday. So again, we are at the Savannah at the Vistas Runaway Bay. So that's where we at. So nice area, I like it. Very clean. It's not small. I know if we compare this place back to Kingston, we'll say, hey, you know, everything seems so bigger. You know, the rooms, pool area. The gym is not 100% complete. More machines will be going in, and they're currently working on the jogging trail. There will be a phase 2 to this complex, the Savannah at the Vistas. It has been delayed because of COVID, but there will be a phase 2. So this is the treadmill. And again, nice view of the pool while you're exercising. And right in here is like a lobby area, or probably could be a meeting room for a community meeting. And if you're keeping a party at the pool, there's a little kitchen area to prepare as well. And then you walk out to the pool area. You have restroom here, shower as well. Now, what I got excited about, guys, is I'm gonna show you guys in a second. So football is my favorite sport. So when I saw the basketball court, I'm saying, yeah, at least they have basketball and netball, and they can easily convert tennis as well. But then I saw a football field. So football is my favorite sport, and they have a football field as well. So basketball and tennis. So basketball and netball. And over here is the football field. It's green, well maintained. I like it. Alright, so again, guys, we are at the Savannah at the Vistas in Runaway Bay, close to Ocho, close to businesses, other commercial places, close to the Bay of Principe as well. That's a hotel in the area. So that's where we at, guys. So again, leave your comments in regards to the complex. Let me know what you think. Again, 80 to 100 US based on the number of persons and availability. I'll put the links in the description and the comments, and it's ready for booking as we speak. So I showed you guys the rooms, showed you guys the property, showed you guys the gym, the pool, clubhouse, multi-purpose court. So you guys let me know what you think. So again, vacation Airbnb right here on the north coast in Runaway Bay, St. Anne's, Jamaica. Available for booking right now, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Thanks for liking. Thanks for commenting. Appreciate it, guys. And I'll definitely see you guys on another Airbnb property tour. Or it could be something different. Who knows? Alright, guys.